Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I will be showing you how to translate a language on a web page. So let's get started. Okay, so to do this, open up Google Chrome and then click on this apps icon right here and then click on Web Store. And then in the search field, search for Google Translate. And then click on this Google Translate option right here. And then click on this Google Translate right here. And then we need to add this extension to Google Chrome. Now click on this add to Chrome and then click on this add extension. Now you'll be seeing the Google Translate has been added to Chrome message. Now we can translate any web page that you want to any language that you want. Now I'm gonna be using encyclopedia.com about satellite technology. So in this web page about satellite technology, it's in all English. So if you don't know about English that very much, it will be a bit hard to you to read. Now so you can translate this page. Now click on this icon and then click on this icon and then you will be seeing the Google Translate icon right up above, and then click on this icon right once again, and then we need to set some settings before we translate. Now click on this extension options right here, and then in here in my primary language it is in default being selected to English. Go ahead and change that to whatever the language that you want to translate. In this case I'm going to be choosing Sinhala, and then click on save. Now let's translate the web page. Then click on this Google Translate icon once again and then click on translate this page. Now after a few seconds your page will be translated to Sinhala. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in another video. Subscribe. Bye.